Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Crafty Crown Making Ideas. Today we will show you some creative and fun ways to make crowns featuring your favorite pictures. Let's get started. Prepare crown template. You can find a printable crown template online or draw your own on a study paper or a cardstock. Decorate your crown template. Arrange your cutout pictures on the crown template to find the perfect layout. Once you are satisfied, glue them in place. Get creative with decorations. You can add extra flair to your crown by using markers, glitter, sequences, and other craft material. Let your personality shine. Crown feel you are like a queen. This crown is making with pearl and looks like a this crown with the original flowers, real flowers, and these crafty flowers. You make this easily and easily available.